Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Louis Vuitton Crossbody Strap is probably one of the most versatile and stylish accessories you can add to your collection, instantly transforming your favorite handbag into a chic and convenient crossbody, perfect for keeping your essentials close at hand while on the go, whether you're running errands, traveling, or enjoying a night out, offering a blend of luxury and practicality that elevates any outfit. Number 5. Live Up Full Grain Leather Purse Strap. Introducing our premium purse strap, crafted from genuine full-grain leather. Experience the durability and luxurious feel that only real leather can provide. This is the perfect replacement strap for your favorite crossbody bags and handbags. Easily attach it to refresh your beloved accessories. Enjoy comfortable wear throughout the day with its adjustable length and stylish design. It complements any outfit, adding a touch of sophistication. Built to last, this strap is made with high-quality materials. It's designed to withstand daily use while maintaining its elegant appearance. Give your handbag a new lease on life with this versatile and chic accessory. It's the ideal choice for an effortless style upgrade. What we like. This strap is crafted from full-grain genuine leather, offering a premium and durable feel. Its classic design ensures it will complement a wide range of handbags. If you are looking for a timeless and high-quality replacement strap that will age beautifully, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The strap adjusts to several different lengths and is long enough to fit over your shoulder. The leather is thick, strong, not at all flimsy. The clasps are sturdy. It's multifunctional and could easily be used for a purse, camera case, etc. This strap arrived on time, in good shape, and looks great with the purse. It is the same width as the old strap. The color is a pretty good match. The leather feels good, and there are no snags to catch on her clothing. It has plenty of length adjustability to be useful any way she wants to wear her purse. Update: I've been using this black matte crossbody strap with my purse for about 5 months now. Light use, I go out a few times a week right now for errands, etc. So far, it has held up nicely. The stitching is all intact, leather material has not frayed, and none of the parts have broken. I like that the strap is not thick but still is sturdy enough that it doesn't get easily twisted or tangled. Number 4. Multi-Pochette Accessories Replacement Canvas Strap. Introducing our premium replacement strap, crafted from smooth, high-quality canvas. It's designed to perfectly complement your favorite shoulder bags. With a generous width of 3.8 centimeters, this strap offers comfortable wear. It's fully adjustable, ranging from 78 centimeters to 127 centimeters, ensuring a perfect fit for any occasion. Featuring premium hardware, this strap is built to last. The elegant design adds a touch of style to your accessories. Specifically designed as a replacement for your multi-pochette accessories, it offers a seamless and secure attachment. This nylon strap is incredibly lightweight and gentle on leather, making it an ideal choice for those with sensitive materials. Its adjustable length makes it versatile for various daily uses. You can wear it comfortably as a crossbody or shoulder strap. What we like. This strap features a good smooth canvas with premium hardware and is specifically designed as a replacement for the multi-pochette accessories. Its adjustable length from 30.5 to 50 inches makes it versatile for daily use. If you own a multi-pochette accessories and want a comfortable, lightweight, and adjustable strap, this is the perfect option. What people say. Strap is heavy to the touch and the gold hardware was a match for my LV and other bags. The Vachetta also appears to be good quality, not too pink, not too orange. The edges of the Vachetta are also sealed with a reddish-brown, not bright red like some other products. The strap is a great length and great width for crossbody bags, very high-quality strap to fit on a designer handbag. Very well made and choice of colors is great to fit all needs. Quality of the strap fabric is great, it's durable and feels nice to the touch, not cheapy. The Vachetta is meh, one side the stitching is good and the other wide is a bit wonky but easy to hide while wearing and not super noticeable unless you're a freak examining people's bags, which is me. Overall good quality, and since I spilled something on it already I'm glad I didn't spend $800 on it, easily wiped off and can't see, happy with durability of fabric when being cleaned. Number 3. Vachetta Leather Adjustable Crossbody Strap. Crafted from genuine Vachetta leather, this strap offers a luxurious feel and exceptional durability. It's designed to elevate your favorite bags. With an adjustable length ranging from 45.5 to 51 inches, you can easily customize how your bag sits. Find the perfect drop for your comfort and style. This strap is ideal for replacing worn-out straps or for customizing your purses and shoulder bags. It easily attaches with included snap hooks. Measuring 1.2 centimeters wide, it provides a comfortable and stylish carrying experience. The thoughtful design ensures it complements your bag beautifully. We suggest using a string to measure your preferred length before purchasing. This ensures the strap will be just right for you and your bag. Please note that buckle head sizes vary with strap widths. Select the option that best suits your needs and how you plan to use it. What we like. Made from genuine Vachetta leather, this strap offers a sophisticated look and feel. It's adjustable from 45.5 to 51 inches, allowing you to find the perfect drop length for your bag. If you appreciate the natural patina development of Vachetta leather and need a slim, adjustable strap for your purse or shoulder bag, this is a great pick. What people say. This is a well-made Vachetta leather strap. The color matches exactly the handle on my bag, and the stitching etc. are well crafted. The web description of the width and length of the strap is accurate. The quality is great, makes my purse look new. Number 2. WEICHUAN 47 Gold Iron Flat Chain Strap. Elevate your favorite bag with this classic replacement strap. It's perfect for DIY projects and transforming your handbags, purses, or clutches. This strap comes in a beautiful gold color, adding a touch of elegance to any accessory. Please note that slight color variations may occur due to lighting. Measuring 47 inches long, it's ideal for individuals between 5 feet 3 inches and 5 feet 9 inches. You can wear it as a crossbody strap or double it up for a shoulder style. Equipped with high-quality metal buckles, this strap ensures a secure and sturdy attachment to your bag. The snaps are designed to fit most bag rings. Crafted from iron, this chain strap is both durable and surprisingly lightweight at just 6 ounces. It's designed for comfortable, everyday wear. While durable, please be aware that the chain weighs approximately 6 ounces. We recommend considering this if you prefer a lighter accessory. What we like. This is a classic flat iron chain strap in a gold finish, perfect for DIY bag projects or as a replacement. It's 47 inches long and suitable for individuals between 5 feet 3 inches and 5 feet 9 inches. If you're looking to add a chic, metallic accent to your handbag or clutch, or want to customize your bag with a sturdy chain, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The strap is adjustable and can be worn crossbody or on the shoulder. It's made of high-quality leather and has a nice feel to it. The hardware is sturdy and well-made, complementing the strap nicely. Number 1. HAHIYO Spot-On Gold Purse Chain Strap. Discover the ideal length for your needs. This strap offers a perfect 47.2-inch fit, sitting comfortably at your hip for crossbody wear or perfectly at your waist for a sling style. Achieve a flawless look with our spot-on light gold tone. It's a beautiful, natural-looking gold that perfectly complements your bag's hardware. Experience superior comfort with its 0.4-inch wide flat chain. You'll feel no pressure on your shoulder, even after extended wear. It's surprisingly lightweight, even lighter than your phone. Built to last, this strap features an extra thick 2.4mm metal chain. The clasps are also solid and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. This versatile strap is the perfect addition for your shoulder purse, crossbody bag, handbag, or clutch. It's an excellent choice for a stylish replacement. What we like. This strap boasts an extra thick and sturdy flat metal chain with a comfortable width of 0.4 inches, ensuring it won't dig into your shoulder. The spot-on light gold tone is designed to match your bag hardware perfectly. If you need a durable, comfortable, and stylish metal strap for your crossbody or shoulder bag, especially one with a light gold finish, this is an excellent option. What people say. They're sturdy and quality constructed. Love the look of this chain on my bag. It's lightweight and a perfect addition. Perfect length chain for my crossbody purse. Metal is smooth and has a decent weight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.